You want some help with it? Here. You gotta get it started. Look. Right here.
Oh my goodness, what is
Rip.
that?
Wow, whoever taped this.
What is that?
There we go. The ripping's been started.
Don't know. Well, that's one of them paper jammer things that you can sing on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? Once it gets battery, then we'll be in trouble. Uh-oh.
What?
I might end up sharing it.
Why?
It must have something with it. Oh, but it's a good job.
Still got some paper on it. Still got some paper on it.
Still some paper at the cat. Over there at the cat.
Oh, there's Kitty.
Over there at the cat.
It's going to the cat. Okay, Ethan, here's another one for you. Hey. My grandma.
I think he misunderstood
Logan,
us.
you got two over here. You better get busy. I don't know who this one's from.
That one I think is our friend Dad. Yeah. Oh.
What is it?
Well, you're just going to be silent at night now, aren't you?
Oh, wow.
I'll take the card. You go ahead and dig in the bag. Dig in the bag. Oh, I think you found it. What is it? Oh, you lost it. You lost it. What is it?
Logan, here's another one from Gran and Nana.